Children, let's see one sum which is, I won't say it's a complex one, but yes, it has good amount of concepts involved in it. Let's see what is the next sum trying to say in heights and distances. A tree is broken by the wind. A tall tree is broken down by the wind. The top strikes the ground at an angle of 30 degree. The top, when hits the ground, making an angle of 30 degree and at a distance of 30 meter from the root. Find the whole height of the tree. Find the whole height of the tree. I know right now the picture is a bit murky, but blurred, but I think so it becomes very clear the moment we draw the diagram. We intend to find out the whole height of the tree. So let me say the whole height of the tree be AB. What is AB then? The entire height of the tree. Let M be the point. Mind you, let M be the point here from where the tree is broken down. M need not be the midpoint, children. So don't be in that impression that M is the midpoint. No, even I have taken care that M should not represent as a midpoint, and nowhere it is mentioned in the question also. So never commit a mistake by taking it as a midpoint. M is any random point from where the top of the tree gets broken down. They say the top strikes the ground. The top, which is MB, at point M is what the tree gets broken, strikes the ground. So don't you think so it is the same MB which is now striking the ground? It is the same MB which is now striking the ground. So let me say this is MC. So what did we learn? MB striking the ground. Don't you think so it is the same height? So MC and MB are equal. MC and MB are equal. Further, the question says this top portion strikes the ground at an angle of 30 degree. At an angle of 30 degree. Moreover, distance of the top from the root, so A is regarded as the root of the tree, is 30 meter. The distance of the top, which is nothing but C, is at a distance from the root is 30 meter. What we need to find out? We need to find out the whole height of the tree. When they say we need to find out the entire height of the tree, that means we are looking for AM plus MB. We need to find out MB also, we need to find out AM also. We add them together, the total height is nothing but AB. Is the picture now clear with the help of the diagram? Indeed it should be. It should be. Earlier it was a bit murky, but now it should be that, yeah, we understood that point M is the point from where the tree is broken. The top strikes the ground. That's the reason MB is equals to MC. The angle to which it makes, or rather strikes the ground is 30 degree. And how far is that particular point? 30 meter from the root. Mind you, all the trees are perpendicular to the surface. So once again, 90 degree out there. So shall we start our sum? What is our sum trying to say now? Our sum says, a tree is broken down. So we have represented everything. So let's jot down our statement. Let AB represent the whole height. The whole height of the tree. Let M be the point from where the tree is broken down. M be the point from where the tree is broken down. So from the diagram, the picture is very, very clear. Can I say MB is equals to MC? It's very clear from the picture in the diagram. MB is equals to MC, equation number 1. At what angle it is striking? So don't you think so that this is regarded as an angle of elevation? Mind you, this will be termed as horizontal line. This shall be regarded as angle of elevation. We are not going to jot down everything over here. Only thing is the angle formed is the angle made, that is measure angle MCA, is 30 degree. How far it is? So length AC is given to me as 30 meter. Now children, in order to find out the entire length AB, what we need to do is, we'll bifurcate into two parts. First, we shall find out MA, which is in terms of X, that's what we'll say. And later on, we'll find out MB, which is Y. If I club them together, combine them together, X plus Y is what my answer will be. The total height of the tree, X plus Y. So if you want, you can jot down here itself, MB is equals to MC. Let us say it is Y. Say this is Y. At the same time, you can say let length AM is equals to X meter. This is equation number 2. You can say this as 2 and this as 3. Equation 2 and 3. Now, I think so we are done with the entire stuff. We just need to now go inside the diagram. Once again, in context to this theta, what I want, is it opposite? What I'm being given, is it adjacent? So which trigonometrical ratio am I going to use? I'm going to use tan. So in triangle MAC, tan 30 is how much? AM by AC. That's definition. By definition, what is tan 30, children? It's very much simple. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. How much is AM? AM is X. How much is AC? AC is 30. You can say all these in a reason. What? This is from equation. X is what we have stated as 3. 30 is what we have said. So from 2 and 3. Moreover, what is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So that's what I can say besides this as a reason. Now I want to find the value of X. Simply cross multiply. X is equals to what? 30 by root 3. Now children, we have an irrational number in the denominator. We have studied in class 9th itself that we need to go for rationalization. So if I go for rationalization, do I need to multiply this by root 3? So certainly my answer will be X is equals to 30 root 3 by 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 ones are 3 tens are. So my X is 10 root 3 meter. My X is 10 root 3 meter. Now let's proceed further. How to solve thereafter. Let's proceed further how we can go the sum with. X being known to us, so I shall say X is 10 root 3. If you want, you can take the value of root 3 here itself. If you don't want, you can take it later on also. If you want, you can take the value here itself. If you don't want, you can take it later on also. So I shall keep it as it is, 10 root 3 meter. Let this be my equation number 4. Now children, right now you must be thinking that X is not the only thing, we need to find out Y also. So don't you think so that if this is Y, which is MB, even my MC also should be Y? If MB was Y, my MC should also be Y. Now children, there are two ways to find out. Having known now X and AC in triangle MAC, now when we know X, which is 10 root 3, and AC, which is 30, I can always apply Pythagoras theorem, right? But I would advise you children, never apply Pythagoras theorem, not to apply so long as it is possible, not to apply Pythagoras theorem in word problems, that is heights and distances. Why? Because we have a much better solution by applying trigonometrical function. Yes children, so 10 root 3, 30, do you think so Pythagoras is that easy for you? I shall go with trigonometrical function. Now I want to find out Y. So that's what I kept on saying in past many sums. You always need to ask in context to that angle theta, what is given to us and what we need to find out. Now I'm once again asking in context to this theta, what according to you, that is in context to this 30 degree, what is given? The adjacent is given. Hypotenuse is what we need to find out. Adjacent is given. Hypotenuse is what we need to find out. Who gives the relation between adjacent and hypotenuse, children? Yes, right answer. Your answer is cos. Adjacent and hypotenuse, the answer is cos. So I shall simply say once again, also cos 30 is definition of cos, adjacent upon hypo. So adjacent is nothing but AC. Hypotenuse is nothing but MC. Hypotenuse is nothing but MC. Cos 30, the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2 children. Value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. AC, how much? That's what is Y. How much is MC? How much is MC? I'm so sorry, MC is Y, AC is known to us. I'm really sorry. AC is known to us as 30, MC is Y. So, how will I get the answer as? Go for cross multiplication, children. So, Y is equals to 30 into 2, 60 by root 3. 30 into 2, 60 by root 3. Don't you think so? The same thing is going to come as we have done rationalization here. The same part will come here also. We will go for rationalization into root 3, root 3. What value will I get? 60 root 3 by 3. 1s are 20s are. So Y is equals to 20 root 3 meter. I got Y as 20 root 3 meter. Children, we are not done with our sum. Why? It's X plus Y is the total height. So now we are going to say, now what is X plus Y? X plus Y. The value is 10 root 3, which was given in 4. Let us give this as equation number 5. This is 20 root 3. From where did we get this? From equations 4 and 5. How much is that? 10 root 3 plus 20 root 3. Answer is 30 root 3. Now if you want, you can jot down the value of root 3, which is 30 into 1.732. Mind you, I am taking root 3 value as 1.732. When you multiply 1.732 into 30, you shall get answer as 51.96 meter. You shall get answer as 51.96 meter. You can finally say that's nothing but the total height of tree. Total height of tree is 51.96 meter. Once again, as I stated in my previous sum, the examiner can always ask us correct up to significant integer, right? The nearest integer, the answer will be 52 meter. Correct up to 1 decimal place. Over here, if it were to be correct up to 1 decimal place, I shall look at the second decimal. Indeed, it is more than 5. So if I happen to increment this by 1, children, this will become 9 plus 1, 10. So 0, carry over 1. Correct up to 1 decimal place will also give me answer as 52. Correct up to 1 decimal place will also give me answer as 52. So this was altogether a different sum, altogether different than what we have done the first two, which are totally conceptual based. Elevation, depression, this is a new type. I hope my children have understood this.